Self-leveling gels are designed to cut down on both application and filing time. On Vogue's range of self-leveling gels are designed to help you work smarter, not harder. Throughout this course, we'll share our best tips for working with self-leveling gels and efficiency techniques for speeding up fills and rebalances. After all, time is money. Superbond is an air drying bonder that can be used for clients prone to lifting for extra adhesion. Once the nail is prepped and cleansed, Superbond can be used in a polish-like manner. For tip applications, apply Superbond on the natural nail once your tip has been applied and blended. Let it air dry for at least 30 seconds before moving on to your next step. Proper form application is the foundation of your nail, so take the time to ensure a proper fit and alignment. Rock the form back and forth to create a natural curve. It should fit under the free edge from sidewall to sidewall with no gaps and come straight off the nail. Connect is a universal base that provides great adhesion, creating a bond-like double-sided sticky tape. Connect should be applied in a thin layer over the entire nail, being careful not to touch the skin. Don't forget to bring it all the way to the free edge of your natural nail or tip. Cure for 60 seconds. Medium build has a creamy viscosity with medium self-leveling qualities. Due to its viscosity, it applies with ease and overall smoothness without moving too fast on you. This product is great for new nail techs or those new to gel. It's strong and flexible, providing great durability and strength for salon length extensions, fills, and overlays. We recommend a two-step method when sculpting with low to medium viscosity gels. Create the free edge on the form first, then build up the strength and structure on your second coat. This method provides a little extra time to work and helps you refine and focus on one area at a time. Place a bead of gel near the free edge of the nail and begin creating your tip. Gently guide it into your desired length and shape, ensuring full coverage from sidewall to sidewall. Use your brush to tidy product and refine the shape before curing for 60 seconds. Apply the second bead while keeping a perimeter from the cuticle area, focusing on creating your apex and connecting your work. Try not to brush or pat the gel. Think of floating on top of the product, using the line of connection to move the product in a semicircle push and pull motion. You can use a detail brush to perfect your perimeter and then flip the hand upside down to improve the apex before curing for 60 seconds. Smooth Self-Level is a low viscosity gel designed for nail pros looking to increase their speed and efficiency. It starts to self-level as soon as it's applied, creating a perfectly smooth surface in seconds. Once the tip has been applied and carefully blended, apply Connect over the whole nail and cure. Place a bead of smooth self-level on the center of the nail. It will start to self-level quickly. Float your brush on top of the product using a push and pull motion. Be sure to leave a small gap around the perimeter to allow room for it to self-level without touching the cuticle area. For a higher apex, you can flip the hand upside down for a moment before curing or apply a secondary coat. Cure for 60 seconds. Smooth Self-Level is the ultimate efficiency product. With adhesion properties built in, you have the option of skipping Connect to save some extra time. An e-file is a great tool for saving time on fills and rebalances. Remove old color, any extra length and lifting, but leave the bulk of the product intact. Prep the regrowth, determine and perfect your length and shape. Clean underneath and redefine the C-curve to save filing time after curing. Cleanse the nail and apply optional Super Bond for maximum adhesion. Allow Super Bond to dry for 30 seconds. Follow with a thin coat of Connect and cure for 60 seconds. Apply a small bead of smooth self-level, avoiding the cuticle area. Gently work the product back and forth, floating the brush in a push and pull motion, filling the nail. Pull excess product over the nail as you near the free edge. Check all angles and adjust or flip the hand as needed. Cure for 60 seconds. You will notice the nail looks close to complete when cured due to the self-leveling gel and caring prep work. To further perfect the nail, file the free edge and perimeter, then work towards the center. Always visualize the ideal shape of the nail so you're filing with a purpose. The bulk of the product should be in the center. The perimeter should be flush and tapered towards the natural nail. Be sure to check your work from all angles before buffing. We always recommend refining your work with the gray sponge board to create a perfectly smooth finish. Apply any color or top coat of your choice. Cure for 60 seconds. And finish with cuticle oil.